Hey everybody, welcome back to another Morris 4x4 video. It's great to see all your bright and smiling faces again. Of course, you know me, I'm Eric. Today I've got Clinton from ARB in the house, and we're going to be talking to you guys about some great gifts from ARB that you might want to consider to that Jeep lover or just, off-road enthusiast or, that outdoor adventurer that's in your life. All right, so the first gift that I want to talk to you guys about is a little package that we put together here at Morris 4x4 for you guys through ARB, and that's going to be the Trail Kit. Now, it's going to include their famous Speedy Seal Kit, so if you get a tire puncture, that is the go-to kit to repair your tire and get back on the road. It also comes with their digital tire inflation gauge, and then also a pair of their recovery gloves. So, and this gift actually is great for anybody. I've got it in my car as well as my Jeep. So, I'm always running over nails and fixing my tires. I just seem to have a magnet for that kind of thing stuck underneath my car somewhere. So that is a great kit for anybody in your life.
Another great gift idea I'd recommend would be the ARB chairs. A couple different versions. You have the ARB touring chair, which is a tan, and an ARB air locker chair, which is a nice looking sleek black chair. So these are great camping chairs, accessible to so many different situations, camping, backyard, etc.
All right guys, so the next gift that I'd like to talk to you about are ARB's recovery kits. Now they have a few various different recovery kits, but basically you're going to be looking at some D-rings, comes with snatch block and various tow ropes, such as you'll get a tree saver or a snatch strap. It's very, very useful if you have that off-roader in your life. And of course ARB, they have some of the best recovery gear, so definitely a great gift to put under the tree for that Jeep or off-road lover in your life.
Eric, one other gift option I'd like to suggest is the ARB Fridge. There's 5 different styles within the ARB Fridge product category that can suit so many different platforms, so many different vehicles, whether it's Jeep, Toyota, whether you want to place it outdoors or inside the cab. Again, completely eliminates ice, keeps it at frozen or refrigerated temperatures, run directly off your battery. It's such an essential product for camping, overlanding, and off-roading.
That's great, and there's also various accessories for that fridge freezer as well that you definitely need to check out, like there's some sliding trays, there's a temperature monitor, so yeah, that is definitely a great gift. Thank you so much for bringing that up.
Yes.
All right, now another great gift that you might want to consider to that Jeep lover or off-road enthusiast in your life are ARB's air compressors. Now they have a few different models, but the ones you definitely want to take a look at are the single high performance and then the twin high performance models. Now they have both onboard and also portable models, so if you want to make best friends out on the trail, you can take that portable one around and air up everybody's tires after that trail run. And of course the onboard models are great too. They can operate air lockers and as well as all your other air needs, such as refilling tires, operating air tools, etc. So those are some great gifts if you have that Jeep lover or off-roader in your life.
Eric, one other gift idea that I'd like to mention is the ARB Simpson 3 Series Rooftop Tent. This is an essential item for any off-road enthusiast, explorer, camper. You can easily install this on any vehicle with an aftermarket roof rack or bed rack as well. Again, easily deployed, easy installation. You can pop the tent up very, very quickly, typically with under 2 minutes, and then go ahead and pack it back up. So you can go from site to site very quickly, very easily, and it's a great product to have.
Yeah, that is really great. We actually had a couple of our customers camp out in the parking lot. They got here super late from out of town, and they pitched that tent up in 2 seconds. We had it on our security cameras, and then they packed it all up. First thing at 8 o'clock when we opened our doors, it came in and got their parts and took off. So yeah, that's definitely a really great tent. Deploys anywhere.
Yep.
All right, guys, so again, we've got Clint here from ARB. We thank you for stopping by, talking to our customers about the potential gifts that they might want to consider for this holiday season. So thank you so much for coming by.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, we'll definitely have you back again real soon. So guys, again, all these gifts and the entire lineup of ARB's products, you can find them on our website, www.morris4x4center.com. Of course, if you have any questions about some of the products we've spoken to you today or other ARB products, give our Jeep experts a call at 1-877-553-5337, or you can drop them a line at sales@morris4x4center.com. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow us on YouTube and all of our social media platforms. We're posting media daily that you guys don't want to miss out on, and we want you to be part of the Morris 4x4 family. So I'm Eric with Morris 4x4 Center, and I will catch you guys in the next video.